everyone, my name is Marcie Dodd and I am a 2020 Dougherty Art Center Art-O-Rama artist, and this is where the art happens. Take a look at my home studio in the middle of my living room. I surround myself with all my favorite artists that I follow on Instagram. I'm a mixed media artist, which means that I collect a whole bunch of different materials and supplies. So I've got bins and cubbies everywhere, just filled with just different materials that I find and I gather inspiration from. This is my desk. It's definitely not big enough for a lot of the things that I like to do, but I make it work. I use an easel a lot for bigger paintings and use this space mostly for drawing and sketching and things that need finer detail. I have a whole bunch of paintings in the works all the time. This is one of my last finished pieces. I've been doing a vintage anatomy series lately, and so this one is called I'm Dying Tomorrow. It has song lyrics kind of hidden in the back. One of the most important things to me is using layers to create deep meanings within paintings. So I will often do small details within layers and then bury them underneath different things just to make my viewer look more than once at my pieces. And then everybody gets kind of a different message from them. Whatever you need to see, that's what you see. Lately, since I've been home so much, I have been working on this series of mushrooms. I have completed 29 of them to date, and these are my favorites of the ones that I have left. It's another one of my pieces. I love to branch out and try to do some bigger work lately. I hope you will follow along on Instagram. Thanks for coming to my studio today. Bye.